We are taking a look at this Orashare power bank in this video now. Hi guys, great day, this is Rye. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are taking a look at this power bank from Orashare. So it comes in this black box with this silver and silvery kind of white print over it. So it says here Orashare, that's the brand. 20 milliamp hour power bank. So from their handy series, let's take a look at the specs at the back. Of course, we are taking a look at that. Let's focus that a little bit. And this is 20,000 there. The model is the OH20PRO. So the capacity is 20 milliamp hour, 7 volts. And of course, it's type C with all the details right there. The output is USB-A. Let's take a look at that later. Type C lightning cable. So this is made in China and 22.5 watts. So this is the power bank right here, and we're gonna unbox it. So I love the design of the box. So thanks Orashare for that box right there. So whoa, take a look at that. The power bank is there, and of course we have here the cord, which is type C. Of course, we know it's type C. And let's open this quickly. Take a look at that. It's just a simple design with this 22.5 watts label right there, and there you go, 20,000. And at the back right here, we have here two built-in power cords. So the first one is of course the type C. This is for type C devices, and the other one is the lightning cable. So this is for iPhones, iOS devices. There you go, and it is right here. So let's take this part, and this features somewhat like a screen here which shows how much battery is left. 88%. There you go. That's simple. What I love about this is it's handy, and also the built-in cord. So this is good for travel, and it's just as simple as that. So this is 20,000 milliamp hour. By the way, they have a 10,000 model also, so I have that also. This one. So it's good. It's perfect for those who want to travel. So I made this video for those who want to see how it looks like. So let's turn it around. Power button right there. Of course, we have here type A. So this is output, and of course the input in which you charge the power bank is a type C. There's nothing more on the other side. So that's it. That's the Orashare power bank, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me what you think. Put it in the comment section below, and see you on the next video. Bye.